In this video I share my Avalanche price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Avax to make maximum profits in 2025. So let's go straight into the content. Avax is on place 9 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $12 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels and we came all the way down into this demand zone, which was the beginning of this massive move in 2021, and we continued the bearish trend till we just moved under this demand zone, and after that we started with this bullish momentum. We took out this last highs right here, and then we saw this crazy push to the upside. We moved over this supply zone, so on the weekly chart we are in a bullish order flow again, and after this push we saw this retracement to the levels right now. And I think Avax is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and from the prices right now to the all-time high we would have a potential of 330%, and I think this is a very big potential for a coin like Avax, which is on place 9 of all cryptocurrencies. And if we now can continue this bullish trend to the upside and also find acceptance over this last highs, then the chances high that we can see even higher prices. And then the next really interesting price target is this high right here, because this high was the beginning of this massive bearish trend, and over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chances high that we reach this target. And if we're reaching this target, I expect a larger pullback, because often over important highs large institutions and retailers are taking profits, so the chance that we see a larger pullback is there. But if we then find acceptance again over these highs, then the chances high that we can continue to the upside, and the last really interesting price target is of course the all-time high. But the best coins in the crypto space are also exploding over their last all-time high, and I think Avalanche has the potential to also break its last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, and then we are getting this potential price targets. If we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $510. And I can imagine that Avax reached this kind of price targets, but the question is if we are reaching it this bull run or in the bull run after that. If we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $370. And I think this price target is very realistic for the next bull run. From the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of nearly 1000%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Avax. Of course guys, this is just the orientation with the Fibonacci tool. And to reach this kind of price target, the total crypto market cap has to increase. And lastly, we are seeing this bullish momentum, which is a really good sign. And if we now can continue to move to the upside, and if enough money from retailers and institutions comes into the crypto market, then the chances high that we can reach the last all-time high of the market cap, and then also explode over it, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF. I think the chances high that the total crypto market cap will increase. And if enough money also flows into Avax, the chances high that we could reach this kind of price targets for the next bull run. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Avax. And I think these prices are already a great chance to buy some coins for your long-term hodl portfolio, because we are clearly in a bullish trend. As I said, we also broke this very important supply zone to the upside with bullish momentum, and we are right now seeing this larger pullback, but we are finding some support in this area, so the chances high that we can now move to the upside again. So I think these levels are already a great buy area for the long term. But if we're seeing lower levels again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside where we also broke the supply zone. So if we are coming again into this demand zone, and if we are not seeing lower levels, and if we are seeing a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would definitely buy some coins right here for my long-term hodl portfolio. And of course, just the potential to the all-time high from these prices would be around 600%. So this would already be an amazing deal for Avax, because the lower the price is, the bigger is the potential to the upside. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Avax, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2025 for Avax. If you want to see my Algorand price prediction for 2025, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.